Once again, I'm looking at my CRI Genetics results, my advanced timeline. So this is 5 generations back, Northern European, which I can agree with. British Isles, of course. This, 5 generations back, I have never found anyone who's Chinese. But it looks like it's 99% accuracy, and it's giving you the exact segment and chromosome and all that stuff. So I have not done most of my mom's side. So who knows? 6 generations back, Northern European, British Isles, Iberian. This is 6 generations back, Punjabi. So maybe I was told the 100% Indian in my family, maybe they're actually from India and not Native American. That could throw me for a loop. I mean, I don't know. Northern European, this is 7 generations back. British Isles, of course. Iberian, 7 generations back. Northern European, 8 generations back. British Isles, 8 generations back. Punjabi, 8 generations back. And it's telling you about the chromosome and everything. So you have all these different things here. This is 9 generations back, Northern European. British Isles. Sri Lankan Tamil, 9 generations back. This is interesting. 10 generations back, Northern European. British Isles. Iberian. 11 generations, Northern European. British Isles. Sri Lankan Tamil. Iberian. So there's somebody in my family. This is 12 generations back. It's the same stuff. No real weird things. Same things. 13 generations back. Iberian. 14 generations back. Northern European. British Isles. Punjabi. 14 generations back. British Isles. 15. Iberian. 16 generations back. Northern European. Iberian. Sri Lankan Tamil. And British Isles. So that's all 16 generations. Now 17. Northern European. British Isles. Northern European, 18 generations ago. So usually Ancestry only goes back about 5. And I did that a long time ago, so things keep changing on it. Back and forth, 19 generations ago. 21 generations ago. I mean, none of this surprises me here. 34 generations ago. 35 generations ago. And 37. That's as far back as this one goes. None of this surprises me. What surprises me is the Southeast Asian. And then, I'll show you one thing I did. I bought the year-long subscription, so you get like 3 credits per month for a year, and then you get the Famous People app, or the Famous People thing. My dad did the Famous People. He paid like $20 just for 1 credit because you had to pay in credits. Everything you do here has credits. See, all of this you had to pay for. Whoops, let me try to grab that. Go down a little. It's hard to do on this. So a lot of these you can get like your motion sickness. It'll give you a little report. I have a low likelihood of experiencing motion sickness. Do they know me? No. Photic sneeze, like when you sneeze when the sun's out. I'm likely to have it. Yes, that I absolutely do. There's other things here. I mean, you got motion sickness, sweet tooth, freckles, which I definitely have freckles, and it says I am very freckly. No freckles. I don't know about that. Earwax, body odor, bitter taste, floral detection, red hair. I have like I don't know how I can describe it. Like, I have like brassy hair. And then you have like different things like mosquito bite size, blue eyes, which I have green eyes, so I do have a tendency for blue eyes. Attractiveness of mosquitoes for sure. But all of these take credits. Like if you want to do baldness, it's 1 credit. So I have 3 credits this month. I would like to do a few other things, but I'm going to have to save up my credits. Like if you want to do weight loss, 4 credits. So to unlock the report, you have to buy the credits. That's what most of these are, like nutrition, which I've got lactose digestion, I think is already in here. I can digest lactose, which I beg to differ, but you know, whatever. I want to get one of these absorptions because I do have a folate deficiency anemia if I don't do things health and wellness. So you can get all of these little things. I don't know what spiritual well-being is.